So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the sales funnel for service-based businesses. So if you are in Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, wherever you're watching this video from, this is a system you can set up for your local business or your service-based business that is going to work for you. So who does it work for? So we are looking at who this system works for. So it works for spa owners, dental clinics, optical clinics, those who actually sell eyeglasses, but they consult patients before they sell. It works for consultants if you have a service where somebody has to book a call with you before they actually show up for your services or whatever you do for them. This system works for you. For coaches, microblading owners, salon owners, if you're an auto mechanic shop or car detailing shop, gyms, cleaning services, and the rest. The list goes on and on. So if you fall within these categories and you sell a service or you sell a high ticket service that delivers a result, then this system or this sales funnel is going to work for you. So before we actually look at the sales funnel, what is a sales funnel? It is actually a system that you can set up that will take a complete stranger to a customer, or that will convert a complete stranger to a customer. So that is basically what a sales funnel is. And I have worked with a couple of businesses to set up their sales system from getting complete strangers to becoming customers, and this is what I've discovered. So the system here is what works for most of the businesses I've worked with, even though I've tried other ones. So in this instance, you are running an Instagram ad, right? And you are getting messages from people, and somebody is going to actually have conversation with those people to get them to book appointment. So if you are a cleaning company, you run an Instagram ad showing your services, showing what you offer, and then you get a message from a complete stranger who is interested in your services, and then you get them to book appointments. Or you can run an Instagram ad, and this is the second one. You can run an Instagram ad to a website. So instead of them coming to an Instagram DM or message, they are coming to a website, and then they will book appointment there. And on the appointment booking website, after they click on the thank you page, it will redirect them to your WhatsApp so that you can have their contact for follow up, for future marketing for them. So this is a complete system that can help your business to get strangers to book appointments. And I've implemented this system for a couple of brands that I've worked with. Now, apart from this system, I've also tried running ads on Instagram and Facebook to WhatsApp. Even though that works to an extent, you have to get a lot of messages before you can book few people. But what I have identified is that for you to get people who are ready and serious to pay for your services, this is what has worked for me. Instagram ads. Instead of running ads to WhatsApp, I rather do Instagram ads, then get messages of your services, then get them to book appointment, and then they show up for the appointment, and then you render your services and get paid. The same applies to if you are a social media manager, you are a digital marketer, you want businesses to book a call with you, the same system applies. So I'm just sharing this system so that you can implement it and share your experience with me if you've implemented it. Let me know how it goes for you. Let me know how it works for you in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.